Greetings of the day. This is Miss Tabassum. Today I am going to talk about future tense. So let's get started. Here it goes. In today's topic, I'll be discussing about simple future and future continuous. Let's begin. The future tense describes an action that will take place or is expected to take place in the future. Examples: the rain will be good for the crops. The astronauts will return to Earth next month. He will be staying back for dinner. He will have finished his homework by 8 p.m. By next year, Arif will have been volunteering for the NGO 3 years in a row. Now, let's move on to simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for actions that will take place at some point in the future. Here goes the structure. It is will or shall with base form of the verb. Let's see some examples. We shall set out for our trek tomorrow. Set out is a phrasal verb which means to begin a journey. Next sentence. He will study economics from next year. So, shall set out and will study are simple future tense. Let's see the uses of will and shall. The future tense can be formed using either shall or will. Shall is mostly used with subjects in the first person and will is used with subjects in the third person. Will is also used to emphasize the subject's determination to do something or to show that an event will certainly happen in the future. However, this is an old-fashioned usage and nowadays will is used with all the three persons. We shall overcome this dire situation. We may also write like this: we will overcome this dire situation. Another sentence: they will meet the target before time. Uses of will and shall. We use will and shall to talk about something we have just decided to do. I didn't know I had to submit my assignment today. I will send it right away. To talk about something we hope or expect will happen. I hope we'll go for a long holiday. Third, the usage is to express willingness to do something. He will surely help you organize the birthday party. And the last use of will and shall is to express an intention or determination. I will finish my homework today. I will compete in the match. Now, going to form. Going to form is also used for simple future tense. Going to is often used to refer to actions that will happen in the future. It performs the same function as shall and will. However, in some cases, they mean different things in the way they refer to future time. Example: I will call you or I shall call you. Another one: I am going to call you. I will call you or I shall call you. It refers to an indefinite time in the future, whereas I am going to call you indicates definite intention in the near future. She is going to leave for Chennai tonight. Another sentence: she will be leaving for Chennai tonight. In both these sentences, the action will happen in the future. However, in the very first sentence, the verb is in present continuous tense. using going to for future time. So, we use going to talk about something we have already planned or decided to do. Let's see examples. We are going to spend the holidays at my grandmother's house. I am going to help my mother in the kitchen today. To talk about something we expect to happen in the immediate future. The clouds are very dark. It is going to rain. Watch out. That tree is going to fall. I think India will win the 2023 Cricket World Cup. Second sentence, look at the sky. It is going to rain soon. So, when to use will or going to? We use both will or going to make prediction. If our prediction is based on our opinion, knowledge or experience, we use will. If our prediction is based on something we see right now, then we use going to. Now, the structure of simple future in positive, negative and interrogative sentences. In positive, the structure for simple future is shall or will plus base form of the verb. We shall meet you tomorrow. Second, she will go Kolkata in the evening. In negative, it shall or will not plus base form of the verb. I shall not go to school tomorrow. In interrogative, it shall or will plus subject plus base form of the verb. Shall I get a new bicycle? Will we go to the theatre tomorrow? To form the interrogative, the positions of the subject and the auxiliary are interchanged. Now, let's move on to future continuous. The future continuous tense talks about an action that will occur in the future and is expected to continue for a while. The structure is will plus be plus present participle form of the verb. As you can see here, the sentence at 11 am tomorrow, I'll be driving to Jaipur. So, tomorrow maybe at 9 am in the morning, I'm going to start driving to Jaipur. It will take me some more hours to get there. But at 11 o'clock, I'll be doing the same activity, that is driving. The future continuous tense expresses an action that will be ongoing or that will be in progress at some time in the future. Fixed or routine events. We also use future continuous tense to talk about a fixed or routine event in the future. As I said you in the previous example that I'll be traveling to Jaipur tomorrow. So I have to stay in a hotel. So I'll be staying at the hotel Hyatt Regency. In otherwise also I can say I am going to stay at the hotel Hyatt Regency. Both the sentences have the same meaning. Both these forms are correct in this case. Some more examples. He will be volunteering for the presentation. They shall be participating in the tournament. She will be singing in front of an audience for the first time. Structures for future continuous tense in positive, will be plus verb plus ing. She will be meeting her mother tomorrow. I'll be leaving the city in an hour. In negative, shall or will plus not plus the present participle form of the verb. I will not be carrying this bag. In interrogative, the structure is will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing. Will you be playing football? Shall I be taking dance lessons? Now, here is an exercise with simple future tense. The instruction reads, fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the given verbs. The verb in the bracket in sentence number 1 is fetch, as we know that the structure for simple future is will or shall plus the base form of the verb. So, we have written, he will fetch the forms tomorrow. Second, what will you do about the book donation drive? Third, she will suffer if she neglects her health. Fourth, hopefully the train will arrive on time. 5th, we shall wait till the storm blows over. 6th, she will dance on stage for the very first time tomorrow. What will the farmers say when they hear about the rain forecast for this season? Let's see one more exercise for future continuous tense. Fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense of the given verbs. Sentence number 1. They will be leaving for Kanpur this summer vacation. The verb is leave, and as we know that the structure for future continuous tense is will be plus verb's first form plus ing. So we have written will be leaving. Second, the government will be imposing a fine on tax offenders this year. She will be verifying the details before signing the agreement. Fourth, they will be missing out on many things if they don't come to the picnic. Fifth, we shall be admitting as many as 10 new students this year to the school photography. Sixth, I shall be filling out my visa application form tomorrow. Seventh, what shall he be studying after he finishes his board examinations? That's all for the day. In my next video, I'll be talking about future perfect and future perfect continuous. Thank you. Have a good day.